So hi guys, I want to find the limit of the sequence, which is an infinite radicals. Because I'm having root 5, root 5 with 5, root 5 with 5 with 5, which is what? Infinite radicals. Clearly, my first term, which is a1, is what? Root 5. And the second term, a2, which is what? Root 5 with 5. Which can be written as root 5 a1. And the third term, a3, which is what? The root of 5 root 5 root 5, which is what? Root 5, which is what? A2. Now for me to find the limit of this sequence, I need to find the nth term of the sequence and take the limiting value of the nth term at which n tends to what? Infinity. Now this is a1, which is what? Root 5. Root 5 can be written as 5 raised to the power 1 over 2. And a2, which is what? Root 5 a1 is root 5 times 5 raised to the power 1 over 2. Which is the same thing as 5 raised to the power 1 times 5 raised to the power 1 over 2 as 5 raised to the power, this is 5, this is 5. The same base, different power. That is 1 plus 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2. That's 5 raised to the power 3 over 2. Now the square root of 5 raised to the power 3 over 2 is the same thing as 5 raised to the power 3 over 2 times 1 over 2, which is 5 raised to the power 3 over 4. And this is the third term, which is a3. And the a3 is root 5 a2, which is the root of 5 times a2. a2 is what? 5 raised to the power 3 over 4, which is the same thing as the root of 5 raised to the power 1 times 5 raised to the power 3 over 4. Now the same base, we add the power. That's 1 plus 3 over 4 is what? 7 over 4. Now this 5, the root of 5 raised to the power what? 7 over 4. Now the root of 5 raised to the power 7 over 4 is the same thing as 5 raised to the power 7 over 4 times 1 over 2, which is what? 5 raised to the power 7 over 8. Now this sequence becomes 5 raised to the power 1 over 2, comma, 5 raised to the power 3 over 4, and 5 raised to the power 7 over 8. Now how do you find the limit of this sequence? The base here is 5, 5, 5. That means the fourth term will be 5 raised to the power unknown number. The fifth term, 5 raised to the power unknown number. Like that. Now I'm having the power here as 1 over 2, as 3 over 4, as 7 over 8. And let me consider the power, which is 1 over 2, and 3 over 4, and what? 7 over 8. Which can be written as 1 over 2 raised to the power 1, 3 over 2 raised to the power 2, and 7 over what? 2 raised to the power 3. And this is 1. This one is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 1 minus 1 all over 2 raised to the power 1. And this thing is the same thing as what? 2 raised to the power 2 minus 1 all over 2 raised to the power 2. Because 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is what? Is 1. Now this is 3. 2 raised to the power 2 is what? 4. 4 minus 1 is what? Is 3. Now this can be written as what? 2 raised to the power 3, which is 8, minus 1 is what? Is 7 over what? 2 raised to the power 3. Now here, I can derive the nth term here. The nth term of this power can be written as 2 raised to the power, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 3, this is 3. That means the fourth term will be what? 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1 over 2 raised to the power 4. So that will be what? 2 raised to the power n, the unknown number, the nth term. So that is 2 raised to the power n minus 1 over what? Over 2 raised to the power n. N, 1, 1, then 2, 2. Now, this, the nth term of this sequence is what? 5 raised to the power 2n minus 1 all over 2 raised to the power n. Now I need to find the limit of the nth term at which n tends to what? Infinity. That's the 5 raised power 2 raised power 2n minus what? 1 over what? 2 raised power n. Now this can be written as this. The limit at which n tends to infinity of 5 raised power 2n over 2n is what? Is 1. Minus 1 over what? 2 raised power what? N. This is 2 raised power n. This is 2 raised power n minus 1, and this is what? 2 raised power n. So 2 raised power n minus 1 over what? 2 raised power n. 2 raised power n minus 1 over 2 raised power n. Now, this is 1 minus what? 1 over 2 raised power n, which can be written as the limit at which n tends to infinity of 5 raised power 1 minus what? 2 raised power what? Minus n. Now take the limit of this at which n tends to what? Infinity. So input n as what? Infinity. That's what? 5 raised power 1 minus 2 raised power what? Negative infinity. So a real number raised power negative infinity is what? 0. That's 5 raised power 1 minus 0, which is what? 5 raised power 1, which is what? 5. Therefore, the limit of this sequence is what? Is 5. Now, given the limit of the sequence, the A1 is what? Is root 5, and the A2 is what? Root 5 root 5, which is 5A1. And the A3 is what? The root 5 root 5 root 5, which is what? 5A2. The root of 5A2. So A1, which is root 5, can be written as what? 5 raised power 1 over 2. And this is A2, which is what? Root 5A1, can be written as root 5 times 5 raised power 1 over 2, which is root 5 raised power 3 over 2. Then this is the root, which is what? Times 1 over 2, which is 5 raised power 3 over 4. And the third term, which is root 5A2, which is root 5 times 5 raised power 3 over 4, which is the A2. Then here we have 5 raised power 7 over 8. Now, that means the fourth term, the 5 raised power a number. The fifth term, 5 raised power a number. The 5 is what? Constant. Now, the power is not constant. Let's consider the power by getting the nth term of the power. 1 over 2, 3 over 4, 7 over 8. This one is there, and this is 2, which can be written as what? 2 raised power 1. And this is 3. The 4 can be written as what? 2 raised power 2, which is 4. This is 7. The 8 can be written as what? 2 raised power 3, which is 8. Now this is 1 can be written as 2 raised power 1 minus 1 over what? 2 raised power 1. So I'm having 2 raised power 1 here, 2 raised power 1 here. Now 2 raised power 2 minus 1 over what? 2 raised power 2. 2 raised power 3 minus 1 over what? 2 raised power 3. That means the fourth term, 2 raised power 4 minus 1 over 2 raised power 4. The fifth term. Now the nth term will be what? 2 raised power n minus 1 over 2 raised power n. Now the 5 is constant. That means the nth term will be 5 raised power 2 raised power n minus 1 over 2 raised power n. Now I need to take the limit of this. The limiting value of this nth term, taking n as what? Infinity, is what? The limit of 5 raised power 2n minus 1 over 2n when n tends to what? Infinity, which can be written as 2 raised power n over 2 raised power n is what? Is 1 minus 1 over what? 2 raised power n. Now which is what? 1 minus 2 raised power minus n. Now take the limiting value of this at which n tends to what? Infinity. So 2 raised power infinity minus infinity, the real number raised power negative infinity is what? Is 0. So 1 minus 0 is what? Is 1. So 5 raised power 1 is what? 5. And the limit of this sequence, which is infinite radical, is what? Is 5. Thank you.